Is your Free Fire lagging or not working on your Android device and you want to know how to solve your problem? Here is how to solve your problem in 3 ways. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, before you start, you need to boost your system performance. For that, you need to open Setting. Scroll down, tap Additional Setting. Scroll down to the Developer option. Make sure to turn on the Developer option. Scroll down and find Graphics Drive Preferences. Tap on it. Now find Free Fire Gaming Apps. Tap on the Free Fire apps. Choose System Graphic Driver. Now go back. Scroll down and tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. After this process, move on and follow the second process. Now you need to change some settings on your Free Fire game. So, open the Free Fire game. Tap Setting. Tap Display. Now choose Smooth or Standard. Tap Normal to your high FPS. Now, this might reduce the graphic quality, but changing this option will help you fix the lagging issues. Now go back and restart the game. Now, after following this process, your problem will be solved. But if this didn't help you to solve your problems, then you need to follow the next process. Look for the Free Fire application. Tap on it. Now tap Auto Start. Tap Other Permission. Tap Display pop-up windows while running in the background. Now go back. Tap Battery Saver. Tap No Restriction. Enable all the settings. Tap Clear Data. Choose the Clear All Cache. Tap OK. After that, swipe down from the top. Turn off the Low Data mode on Android. After following all the work accordingly, you will be able to solve lagging issues on your Free Fire on Android, and you will be able to play the game smoothly. If you still have issues, let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching.